Akbar Rahman. Assalamualaikum. Anyway, I just want to tell you something about Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. You know, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, you are being reprimanded by your own mother. But thank you, Mirna Quazon Cruz, the mother of Mark Cruz, for reprimanding your son. Because you know, your son is not really teach him good manners and right conduct. And I am telling you, Mrs. Mirna Quazon Cruz, you're the mother of Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. Have you never teach your son a good manners and right conduct? And bashing at Rodrigo Duterte with the F word? What does your son is saying about those words are full of nonsense? If I say those words, why did he say a bad word, an F word? The word fuck, oh. Does your son never teach him good manners? Does your son never get reprimand? You are a mother of Mark Cruz. If I'm telling you, Mrs. Mirna Quazon Cruz, if we want to face-to-face debate, reprimand your son. Just like I said before, hindi mo kasi pinagsabihan yung anak mo, like I said. You are trying to manipulate anyone. Your son is trying to bullying Ryan Cristosero, Juan Carlo Pabale, that your son, Mark Domingo Cruz, is trying to treat me like a scapegoat. That I hack Ronald Rebena's Facebook account, that I hack the Facebook account of Nigel Ernesto Diveria, that I bash him or that I bully him. The problem anyway is your son. Your son is responsible. Don't you even know? I'm just gonna say to you, Mrs. Mirna Quazon Cruz, your son is trying to bullying me in social media. What about you, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan? I say again, Mr. Alexander Pagkalinawan, the father of Teacher Alex. Does your daughter saying bad words, like for example, PI words, in Tagalog words, like what is that word? Putang ina words. You have no manners. Your daughter anyway did not raise you up. She's a SPED teacher in Lasal Green Hills in Mandaluyong. And she's a former SPED teacher in CDIFI. Is this what you want to be? Huh? If I want to debate at mother of Mark Domingo Cruz, Mirna Quazon Cruz, and even Alexander Pagkalinawan, the father of Teacher Alex, I will let you know, both of you, that I have a screenshot in TikTok. And I have a screenshot in Messenger. What does Teacher Alex says? And she says bad words. And I have a screenshot that Instagram threads that Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz is saying bad words. Many times with the F word and asshole word and even the SOB word. And now you see, there will be premises. At least the mother of Teacher Gina Sejo had reprimanded her daughter Gina Sejo, and even her grandson Jeffrey Asejo. They are prohibited to use social media. Oh, because they are wrong. You see what happened to Paulo Cruzada's bad words when you say about PI, or when you say SOB word in what is that? What a PI? PI, oh, that's in English called SOB word, right? And Paulo Cruzada, his mother, had reprimanded Paulo Cruzada, oh, for over his cyberbullying, bomb joke, bomb threat, and even the foul languages, because his mother reprimanded him. And unlike you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, and teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Gina Sedjo, and Jeffrey Asedjo, I will tell it to your parents. Oh, I will tell it to Mirna Quazon Cruz, Alexander Pagkalinawan, and the mother of Gina Sedjo, and the husband of Gina Sedjo. Even to her eldest son, Kyle Asedjo. Oh, if I'm just gonna say to you, to all of you, all of you are wrong. Oh, look at what happened to Paulo Cruzada. He was scolded by his own parents. He was reprimanded by his mother. Oh, he is wrong for telling her son not to say bomb threat, not to say bad words. Oh, unlike you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, if you don't listening anyway to your parents, I know your mother was watching at you, she's saying to you, as if I'm saying, if there was Mark Domingo Cruz mother saying, what does his mother says? Oh, her name is Mirna Quazon Cruz. I'm telling you, if you're watching this in YouTube video, reprimand your son. Teach him good manners and right conduct. Don't you even know when you're bullying anyone? As for me, because your son Mark Domingo Cruz, he's trying to bullying anyone. He making criticism. He criticize Dan Mardayaw, me, Mon Galang, Kuya Rodelio Daguman, and Robin Uñao. That was Gerald Atienza. That was the past, Mark Domingo Cruz. Why you criticizing Robin Uñao? Can you imagine that I was told by Roydan Marlang he ended up fighting with Gerald Atienza? Don't you even know that Roydan Marlang, he ended up fighting with Maggie Ganti? He ended up fighting with Glyza Juarez? Because Mark Domingo Cruz, you are wrong. You're bullying anyone. And first of all, you're criticizing Kuya Rodelio Daguman, the friend of Roydan Marlang. He was busy in the work. Like I said again, Mark Domingo Cruz, nananahimik si Rodelio. Why are you mentioning Rodelio? Because Rodelio is busy in the work. Dan Mardayaw is busy in collecting beetles. Jared Atienza is busy in his job. Even I'm also busy for playing video games like you. I was busy, I'm saying, for watching YouTube. Everyone are busy, Mark Cruz. You are criticizing your own enemies that they are not doing anything to you. What is wrong with you? What is What is your problem? What is your problem about JD Sagala? What is your problem about Eliza De La Cruz? What is your problem about Juan Carlo Pabale? Juan Carlo Pabale, he doesn't like to get in trouble. He is my good friend. You see, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, why was Juan Carlo Pabale had left you? Because he doesn't want to get in trouble. He doesn't want to say bad words many times because I know his mother had listened to his mother. Oh, he doesn't want to get in trouble. He doesn't want to say bad words. You're the one who's saying bad words, Mark Domingo Cruz. Your jealousy at Juan Carlo Pabale that he visited Itbulaga. You're a jealousy. Like I said to you, Mark Domingo Cruz. I say again, napakabastos mo, Mark Cruz. Like I said, wala ka sa modo. Hindi ka kasi pinalaki ng magulang mo. It's really what you comply. Your parents did not reprimand you. Because you are wrong. And blaming anyone that they didn't do anything, you are wrong.